Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Strelia Relano, 43 years old, from Montalban, Rodriguez, Rizal. My father's name, Amado Relano. My mother's name, Edita Relano. I have two brothers and one sister, and I'm the eldest. I'm happily married and blessed four children, ages 22, 18, 16, and 6 years old. My work experience as a domestic helper and as a nanny in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 6 years. My duties are washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, and taking care of 3 children. I work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper and as a nanny for 4 years. I serve 4 members of the family, and my duties are washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, cleaning the house, going to the market, and taking care of 2 children, 4 years old baby girl and 9 months old baby boy. Ma'am, sir, please hire me as your helper. I'm honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and I will obey your rules and regulation. Sir, ma'am, I promise to finish my contract and extend as you need. Thank you and God bless.